I also understand we had a wrongness during this Julia.
First, to congratulate this club for hosting the very first game in this series, the NCBA 2021 series. We made this announcement on Wednesday, where NCBA has committed 22 million shillings towards this series for the rest of the year. This series will go across the country in many golf clubs.